not every time go to the office. You understand? Sometimes you stay in your house and relax. Let them look for you. Feel important. You understand? Let me stay in my house and they come and meet me with the team because I have my friend here with me who are just gisting. And don't be looking at me like that, please. I'm a celebrity. Who are you? You are just a guest in my joke.
Hey, girl. Huh? Why are you looking at me like that?
Huh?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Her name is Adenike. Adenike Oyetunde. She have one leg.
Oh my God.
No, don't talk like that, Nika. We went to school together. Don't do that.
I schooled abroad.
Bro.
Stop making noise.
Sorry.
Is that not Bolo?
What did you just say? Shebi, you are speaking for that. If I slap you, if I get sense, you they ask me where I did. Well, today I didn't feel like coming to the office. You understand? I didn't feel like. Shut up. Don't even put your shut up your mouth. Come. I'm in the house. If you know you want to do this, come in the house. My friend is here. I think sir, I don't have time for that. But I'm not your mate. If you come. Back to you. Where did you say you school?
Abroad.
No.
I schooled abroad.
Which school in the abroad?
I'm abroad.
No, where is the address of the abroad, please?
I got my certificate.
You got your what?
Certificate.
Oh. Welcome to the show. It's Paddy, you understand? My friend is here. She just came all the way from Yaba. Yaba is in Lagos State. Sometimes if you check the Google map, it's not really there. Where she lives, there's not really a road to there. Water have carried everything. But she just come here to come and spend a few days with me. So this abroad thing she's talking about, I'm not really sure about it. You understand? So you want to reintroduce yourself? My
people, my name is Adenike Oyetunde. All this English is not pure for my mouth.
Not but it's because you have colored your hair brown. You have think that you are now a blonde girl.
No vex.
With your forehead pimples.
No vex. Something they worry. How far you not go work today?
No, I'm not in the mood.
They're not go sack you?
No.
Now wow.
We can just go on break now. When we come back, we continue on top of the show. Oh my God, in the comfort of my house with my lion friend. Amazing.
With your what?
Lion friend. Ziad? Yes, and we are back in Nika, did you see the video?
Yes, I did.
What happened inside the video?
The video where we see.
Shut up! Who speak pidgin English? I don't like you. Where you come up from? This one, you go in school. I just assume that's only me that is doing this.
No. I can speak pidgin English. The video where we just see.
Yes.
Where truck there be buff.
Alright, welcome back now to Paddy Show, and we go soon give you Yan the Yam, but I just want to tell you that one Mumu has just come here now. Oh, but your socks they smell.
True soup.
Oh.
On the bed.
I take smell.
Come on, your socks.
I don't take smell like this.
Oh, put this on top of my bed.
Where you dey since?
Where you dey since?
You just baffle, come up for a side studio.
You where you dey since?
My wife, that's why you go take loss.
I'm the star.
That's
I
why you
didn't
go take loss.
I didn't feel like walking.
This is every time you don't come up for a side studio, they do anyhow.
Where you come up from?
Now like this. What's up? Just soup. Yo, homie. Yo, huh? Yeah, she.
As how we roll. You know what I mean now?
Una won't give us Yan the Yan.
Which
Or what now? Because I
know
didn't
the
really
Yan,
have
no,
a time.
We ain't yelling no
time. For say I'm a professional person.
You're not
Because
professional.
I will tell you why.
Mayowa.
I am so professional that even for my house,
Yeah.
you understand? Yeah. My work still goes up. Where you go, you need to come inside and you spoil shop.
I just come here to save your job.
Wow.
I'll save your job. You just a professional like you. You just wake up. Just say I no go come.
Now like this, now they fight
Look at
every
this
time
girl.
for a show.
Don't pull my.
Okay, you just wait. You know say that this house today, I go beat you.
Me?
I will
And the guy for call, he say you go beat me. Inside the craze, I did.
I said, no, I didn't say you are crazy. I said you have sense.
You go do uncle. Wait, picture. You go do uncle.
Oh, go see yourself. Tell them that we're going to make yourself useful. Tell them we're going to break.
break.
Tell them say we dey go break.
We dey go break. We go soon come back. Paddy, stay with us.
For latest yarns and tori from your Sempe programs with the on top Wazobia TV, waka like Hokogan, enter Twitter at Wazobia TV NG. What do you wait for?
Boss, where they drive for road, you know they use normal fuel, shite, shite. Animalistic behavior. This one he consigns shiting transplant that now man liking man, woman liking woman. Because if you carry belle for you, no say you don't turn father with that.
You know, I got to waka with a Hokogan swag.
But the thing they say the thing gets a
And the swag no go ever complete without my baby of life.
You set your life, he get bembe.
Nah, your
Crash the car again, huh?
It wasn't my fault, Daddy.
Are you sure you don't have any other plan?
I don't have a, it's just a simple game of Ikwatamu, Ma Quataga. Ikwatamu, Ma Quataga.
Let me warn you. If I see you anywhere closer to that small girl, or even looking at that her behind, Emizo, I will not only pour my hot pepper soup on your head, but I will use my pepper soup to design your dimple.
Follow Wazobia FM for social media. Follow Wazobia FM on top Google Plus at plus Wazobia FM.
Or visit our website for www.wazobiafm.com.
Now we get it.
Okay, we don't enter the case of Yan the Yan. You understand me now? You don't say for this show, but I don't feel like. I beg. That guy went there back of camera, make you just go back of the guy in the video. He didn't make me they laugh. If I call your name for TV.
Maya, wait.
What?
Tell the truth. Nothing but the truth. What do you think this baby they do?
Oh, this
It's
one.
called teddy bear.
Teddy bear. No, for our area now, baby. What you
No,
do?
baby, now that strong one where they get hair now.
Teddy. What you take at Teddy?
It's
Teddy do
very,
alright.
it is very soft.
No,
Forget. I know Mayowa. He's capable of different things.
Shut up!
Like, we
You
can
don't differ from the person I know before.
Mayowa. You just when they give me.
Okay,
for
whether
area,
you not change, you call they tell me I gotta tell you something in the
Yan the Yan.
Okay.
Now.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So for inside Asaba, they just want to tell the people say rain don't finish everywhere for there. The rain flood for inside one place where they call Jesus Save Road. Don't shut up. Jesus Save Road for inside Asaba.
Correct yourself. Don't tell me shut up again.
Okay. Keep quiet.
I will do hair again.
Keep quiet.
Jesus Save Road.
Jesus Save Road.
You can't talk the hair again. You can't say.
Okay.
Excuse me. Don't use.
Okay.
quiet
Sorry.
Do you guys realize my
I'm not
English said
saying-
don't too much, sir.
Jesus Save Road.
Huh?
Keep quiet.
Hey, don't let you keep quiet again.
Oh, yeah,
I'm the
sorry.
man here. What's wrong to you?
Ask me. Wait. I say it again. Jesus Save Road.
Eh?
Wait now.
Oh.
So for this place, water flood full everywhere. So the thing don't enter inside their transformer now.
Wow.
I dey tell you, water the transformer dey, water go meet them for where it is. So possibility they say those people fit just wake up one day, make them just the electrodes push them.
Electrocution.
You understand? They fit just
Electro.
who be
You
this?
say call hook. You see how
Who be
this
this?
baby?
Who be this?
It's hooked somewhere.
Coated.
Electro what?
Coated.
Good.
But this thing no be joking matter, really, because the transformer dey on your own. Water go meet am.
And that means say never people supposed to feed you off the thing somewhere now. They're supposed to feed you off and somewhere.
Because people dey fear now say make dem just come out one day make electrocute just cut them. You no see the photo of the thing.
Yes.
You see am?
Very,
Everything
very
just off.
touching thing.
And now
And they shock, they do somehow for body.
Yeah.
That means if you just wake up one day, you're on the thing, you say, but you're turn to frying things.
Something.
You
Don't
understand?
funny
It's a
something.
shock. If you see the picture,
Burnt fish.
abeg who be this? This my friend.
Burnt
You don't get anything to
fish.
talk on this.
it's not a burnt fish.
Burnt food.
You don't get anything to talk on this story.
Now don't talk am now. I go just.
You no get
You don't get
contribution.
this, you want to join the whole thing. No. So you don't pass.
Electrocuted.
So. All right. So on top of that particular Mara, I just say one way or the other, government support nothing they go do for the
Yeah, yeah. The people
Just to
of
make sure say
Asaba
people
cry
like-
for help.
Yes.
Help them.
Please help
Jesus save
Road.
them.
Shut
Excuse
up.
me. No be. Shut up. So when they come back after this video, we
Hey, she go talk her own.
no
I
go
get
play
ya.
one video now.
No, she go talk her
Yeah,
own.
talk your own, talk
Why
your
you no get?
Now your room they
you
give
no
us
get-
confusion.
Hey.
You
You
don't get
confuse
human relation.
everybody.
Make I talk my own.
You don't get woman
E
relation.
get one Nigerian woman wey enter born mode. Person wan get belle, wan born pikin.
For
Yes,
her mind, she talk pidgin of born in her born
In her
mode.
born
why
mode.
na dey get me laugh now? The woman enter born mode, but the problem come be say when she enter the mode na on top water, people wey wan travel go abroad.
No, let me
by
say they
force.
want travel, they run.
Well, all is the same. They wan travel go abroad on top water.
Don't raise your hand too much, you come out for short.
No verse. They wan travel go abroad. So as
Do
I
this
call
level, do this level.
they wan travel go abroad. As the woman don, she sharp don born the pikin on top water. They don carry the pikin. And na Nigerian woman, plenty people that they call them migrants for English. I don't know the English word.
Yes.
So my question come be say, why wetin dey push people why they look like that now?
No, they
You never
don't.
hear
Your story
migrants.
now, continue your story,
It's called
English.
migrants.
People
Okay.
there where they, you know, from one country run go another country.
And if you see them now for inside television, the video, you don't see the picture where you don't
Yes,
show them.
we don't see the picture. We don't see the picture.
Question come be say why wait e bad for Naija wey be say people wan enter boat travel go abroad.
My brother, sorry, my
Wetin go
sister, now
push
your head they
person?
confuse me.
Ah.
My sister.
You don get that thing for mind before. You don get that thing for mind before to yab me because of my head.
No, I didn't mean it. That is at the hand where you take come. You know, so when you first come this show, you need to tell her something. She tell you what she talk when she first come.
What is Sylvester?
Hello.
You never know where you did.
Okay, go back
But
to my
migrants,
question.
but Naija, different people get different reason why they go fit just decide to just run. You understand? But we make on day the day. It not mean say we too get too head. So na still choice at the end of the day.
But
for
e
you.
bad, Naija bad to the level say.
It not bad reach there
So, you know, so
now.
some
We dey
people-
survive inside the country.
Some people
now.
just feel say if they know ja, they can't be okay.
Okay, another question come be
No
say.
question. Mo go break
Ja-
na your show.
Na not vex o. No vex.
Na your show.
No, na our guest now. Suppose make the guest just feel at
You
home.
know,
Okay,
na
sorry,
even
you
give
have-
me water.
Okay.
Water.
Me wey come call here, I see the way you run
Okay,
from
me when you
office
come meet me
here,
for
I
my
see the
house, you
water.
see water.
What kind of a guest are you?
When we go break,
This one no wetin
this
you
is
really want
not
talk.
unprofessional show. Then we get to be unprofessional. You
We dey
come
come
this girl house. Unprofessional
Ah,
people.
shut up, you're my space.
Not tell somebody.
Yeah. You didn't know something.
I'ma tell you nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'ma tell you something.
Oh.
You don't know nothing. Gera.
And they fight for biscuits here. My final last story on top yarn the yarn. You understand? And my why and your friend. When are they behave myself now?
Friend be get name now. My name na Nike.
Give me small, just small. Who stole the meat from the cooking pot?
Number 3.
Stole the meat from the cooking pot.
Is it
All
you?
me.
Now so we go dey fly for.
All right, for Uganda, inside Uganda, something recently happened, and two parts, a set of twins. That be twins, just twins, not be a set of.
Now
Just twins. Yeah, just twins. Two of them, somehow they join together. They call them co-joined twins. And so they join body somewhere for their body. You know, some children they use head
they
join.
became one.
You understand? They can't become one. You understand? We come like one pikin get two branches. But now surgeons can't need to come do operation to come separate the two. And at 16 hours. And they take 16 hours. And they take do operation. And the number of people that will do the thing, that 30 specialists now join body take do this operation. But thankfully, they can't finally separate the two of them.
Oh my
And
God.
they're very, very well ahead.
That hell.
Inside Uganda, now every
What did
will
they
happen.
cause that thing? Wait.
Now medical something, my always
Wait.
they cause am as architect where you be.
Okay, now let me tell you, based on my knowledge,
Yes.
What knowledge? Which kind of
Be
knowledge you get?
professional, be professional now.
based on the knowledge when I get of scientific experiment.
You know
Yeah.
no.
You see, no, don't do that. I know.
Oh yeah, talk about.
When you get two children wey could join, you understand, and doctors can't separate them, the only thing wey you fit do na make you just happy, so you sing for them that now you have been separated, now you will have a single life.
Selena, wetin
It
dey happen
doesn't matter.
But-
No, I dey explain this thing. See, the song is part of the procedure. You don't know. Now you have that.
Wetin cause them to join together? Now here I been ask you.
You know, there's this road. You know that place where you grow, where road.
Now
no
they
too
talk
dey.
rubbish, Jerry.
That road
no
wey
answer.
No,
Na
actually,
anything
for my
waste our
own
time.
side, I feel say maybe now one.
This biscuits wey you chop.
Don't do that. Don't be touched.
Nick, do it, please. Thank you.
Well, don't be unprofessional.
If you cannot be romantic or be helpful, Try one. Either romantic
After
or
the reggae, play the blues.
Ladies and gentlemen, we don't know the reason why they join, but somebody they join. But we thank God for the story.
Yeah.
They don't separate two of
We're
them.
just happy.
You understand? So we're just happy for the children.
We have
and
to
for
sing
the
them
man.
a happy
They
song.
say the mama
Hold
call happy.
hands.
Oh, the mama say,
Hold hands.
Chimo.
Now yeah, go put. Wetin una dey
No, you know. Your own Naki DFF.
All right, so from here now, we just jump, enter, laugh, they laugh.
Oh,
We
and
just-
don't forget to
you know,
if you
they're
follow us
very
for
okay.
Twitter. Wait, let me look. It's my house.
If you let me bounce first,
Yeah,
land
bounce.
finish on my gist, then you
Bounce.
go enter. You're unprofessional
Bounce
today.
for me, baby. Bounce.
Why do I not
Bounce.
say?
You say we don't talk bed.
Follow us for Twitter.
I deal
Follow
with
us.
2 women for here.
Oh, Wagbala.
Yeah, baby. They pay my money. It's okay.
Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow us for Instagram
Paddy.
at Mayowa Lambe. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow us for Instagram at Mayowa Lambe. Yeah.
I get a handle.
Okay, you. Okay, your own,
Instagram
nah.
at Adenike Oyetunde.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Your own. I didn't really talk it out loud because
At
you're not relevant.
Ogbolos,
Ogbolo.
baby. Ogbolo. You know what I'm saying?
Ogbolo. Yeah, baby.
Thank you, man. You understand?
Agbala.
Thank you.
We love you, Agbala.
I hate
Cry.
you
We dey
both.
go on this break now. Cry.
But when I just see that video, Agbolo, you see that those dance group, we supposed start dance class, me and you.
Yeah, you know, say,
And
I
you.
would like dance. I won't take dance.
no, Nika no go fit dance for anything. You understand?
No, you
But
can
me and
sing.
fit start. Me, Nika fit dey sing.
No, could do audition.
Okay, Nika, just
What?
boss system.
Boss
Almost see how you
something.
go take do things.
Yeah.
Huh?
Huh.
Yeah.
I wanna sing.
No,
Huh.
don't do that. Somebody don't do that before. Sing.
Huh. Slow motion.
Yeah. Sing.
Stop.
No, let us hear your vocals. Your vocals.
Sing.
No, sing.
Song the hang.
Song don't hang.
I don't get music. That's
It's not
it.
even pure.
You know if you
Let-
you
no,
no go
teacher.
fit work. You know if you work.
No, teacher.
My drop it.
Oh, I'm going to the movie now. I want to watch a film. I didn't really know the name of the film, but I'm gonna watch it anyway. You know that's that.
Now me supposed to put the E. Which
Come
one
on.
be the
Wait till
E?
you know.
No, we have
What song
a
you
dropping mode.
want? As in-
You always do. You understand?
Understand? Yes.
So today, ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, we just do the thing roughly anyhow because this get very unprofessional. You understand? Last week Friday she had run. This week Friday she wants to come around. The guy said no, we are carry come to your bedroom. You understand? So that's the reason why they do it for inside her place and her place. Next time maybe inside my own
Agbala, what are we
toilet.
doing?
You
What are we going to do
understand?
for your place?
You understand?
Leave
No,
my
why
hand
don't they do
now,
this
now
kind
my
of thing?
pussy.
Enjoy yourself.
Why they do this
Easy
kind of
that
thing?
you by
Leave
force.
this. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.